In the states of matter, we have to know first of all what is the matter. What is the matter? Matter means anything which can occupy space and having mass. That is called matter. The matter is mainly classified into 5 types. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We know that these 3 generally gas, liquid, solid. Gas, liquid, solid. These 3 only we will discuss maximum. But 2 more are there, that is plasma as well BEC, Bose-Einstein condensed state. You can start writing also something better. Bose-Einstein condensed state. So these 2 states elaborately we don't discuss. A few points we have to know. The plasma exists in the form of ionized form. Ionized form. Ionized form. Then where it exists? Where it exists? Generally 2 examples we will give. One is sun surface. Sun surface, not only sun, all stars. Sun means star. Stars surface as well. In the electric bulb. In the electric bulb. In these 2 cases it is existing. So the matter is in the which form? Means ionized form. Ionized form. Suppose one electric bulb is there. This electric bulb, hydrogen bulb is there. The hydrogen exists H plus electron like this. Initially the hydrogen was there. The hydrogen is ionizing like H plus and electron in the electric bulb. In the electric bulb, that too, whenever it is glowing, that time only it is in the form of ionized. That is called plasma state. Normal time means that is normal gas only, hydrogen gas. When electricity passes, the light will glow. That time it is existing in the form of ionized form. That state is called plasma state. Next, BEC, Bose-Einstein condensed state. It is exists at low temperature as well, low pressure, low temperature and low pressure. The pressure is around 1/100 atm. Generally, room temperature में 1 atm is there. इसमें 100th part temperature is very low, around -273. 273 degrees Celsius is actually the ideal. So it's not possible. This is also theoretical generally BEC. Okay. So gas, liquid, solids. So we are going to discuss maximum about gases. A few things about liquids. Solids completely it is we will discuss in the class 12. Class 12 में complete one chapter is there. Solid state. Okay. So now gases. So the gas and liquids. So basic properties of gases. Basic properties of gases. Suppose gas is there. Suppose what are the gases? Hydrogen, oxygen. What are these gases? The gases are not having fixed volume, not having fixed shape. No fixed shape and volume. There is no fixed shape and there is no fixed volume. Okay. What about liquids? What about liquids? Liquids has fixed volume but no fixed shape. No fixed shape but liquids having fixed volume but fixed volume. Okay, solid state अभी जरूरत नहीं. If you want to write, you can write fixed volume and fixed shape. Okay, you can write one by fixed volume and fixed shape. mass is fixed. Then density generally density solids higher than liquid than gas. Then intermolecular forces generally solid is higher than liquid than gas. Okay. Intermolecular space tell me what is the order? इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर स्पेस इसका उल्टा, गैस में मैक्सिमम स्पेस इज देयर, एक गैस मॉलिक्यूल दूसरा गैस मॉलिक्यूल के बीच में गैप, देन लिक्विड तो बीच में, देन सॉलिड. Okay, gas liquid space. So these are the basic properties. Okay, next you note down this. Shall I run this? Yes. Plasma please. So whatever I taught just now, these all are very basic fundamental things. Okay. Now still not yet started our main chapter.
Yes.
So now actually states of matter. The states of matter, what we are going to discuss in this chapter. In the states of matter, we will discuss about the bulk of the substance. In the previous chapters, the structure of atom is there, periodic classification is there. In those chapters, we discussed about only elements. Each individual element, how the property is there. Within the atom, structure of atom, totally about one atom only. Atom के अंदर क्या क्या रहता है, how those are arranging, those things we will discuss. So here, more than one atom, many atoms are there, many molecules are there, many ions are there. In that case, what type of properties are existing? Okay, in between the molecule, what is going on? So those things we are going to discuss. About bulk. Bulk means much larger quantity. So those properties we are going to discuss in the states of matter. So in the matter already we discussed, matter means it may be particles, atoms, molecule, ions, कोई भी हो सकता है. So if I take it, helium and one more helium atom is there. Okay, this is the one type. Another type is there, HCl and one more HCl is there. Okay, then third one, HCl and helium. Then fourth, H2O and H2O. Okay, first we will discuss these four. Then fifth one more is there, Na plus H2O. Okay. So we are taking bulk, but I given only two. If we discuss here, that's enough. Here helium is a neutral atom. It is not having any polarity. Polarity means you know that polarity, poles are present. Suppose HCl is there. These are the polar molecules. HCl is the polar molecule. What is that polar? See, HCl में the structure is H bond Cl. Electropositive and electronegative atom. Partially negative charge, partially positive charge. These are poles. Positive pole and negative pole. This is called polar molecule. Polar molecule. But here in the helium there is no such type of polarity. So these are non-polar molecules. These are non-polar molecules. Okay, in the non-polar molecule also some interactions, attractive forces are existing. Some forces, interatomic forces. If you take molecules, suppose CO2 and CO2 is there, here intermolecular attractions. Intermolecular attraction. Don't confuse here, CO2 also a non-polar molecule. CO2 also a non-polar molecule. So here carbon and oxygen heteroatoms are there, of course, but the structure is like this: C11O, C11O, like this. Okay, it's a linear structure. So in the chemical bonding chapter, you learn hybridization, sp, linear, the pulling opposite forces get cancelled. So finally conclusion, non-polar. Right. So in between non-polar atoms and molecule also some attractions are existing. So such type of attractions are of course very weak forces, but those weak forces name is London forces. Here some attractive forces are there, that name is London forces. London forces are dispersion forces. Dispersion forces. Dispersion forces. London forces are dispersion forces. These are the weakest forces. Easily get separated. Okay, here one formula you have to remember. This force is directly proportional to 1 by r to the power of 6. What is r? R is the distance between two molecules. ये थोड़ा increase हो गया, मतलब 6 times increasing. So immediately F will be decreased. F will be decreased. So smaller changes may F so much decreasing. That's why this type of forces exist while those are contacting each other. Very closer in there, then only this type of forces are exist. Little bit gap in there, it's no. See the formula देखिए समझना. So still you may have some doubt, sir ये तो न्यूट्रल है, न्यूट्रल के बीच में कैसे होगा अट्रैक्शन? Okay, but see these are the neutral but instantaneous dipole. One more name also is there, instantaneous. Instantaneous मतलब तभी फॉर्मेशन होता है, तभी गैप होता है. Instantaneous. क्योंकि see here electron is there, helium में, ठीक है, of course 2 electrons are there. So एक electron here also suppose electron is there. ये electron negative charge, तो दोनों stable होगा और unstable होगा. Electron नजदीक है तो it will be stable or unstable. Unstable क्योंकि ये भी negative charge, वो भी negative charge. Negative repel. So immediately this electron will go this side. Okay. So it is the partially negative charge, partially positive charge. ये electron उधर गया मतलब partially negative charge, partially positive charge तो बन गया. लेकिन ये गारंटी नहीं है एग्जैक्टली ऐसा होने का. तो इलेक्ट्रॉन तो कंटिन्यूअसली मूविंग. ओके, इलेक्ट्रॉन कभी इधर भी हो सकता है. सी ये कंडीशन में मैक्सिमम अट्रैक्शन, लेकिन इलेक्ट्रॉन में भी इधर प्रेजेंट हो सकता है, 3 डायमेंशनली घूमते हैं. सो उतना फोर्स इमीडिएटली कम हो गया. देन सपोज इधर है तो रिपल्शन है. So of course repulsion is this much area only repulsion, remaining all cases में attraction. That's why attraction is dominating the repulsion. तो है कुछ attraction, ठीक है, लेकिन that is not constant. Immediately it's disappear, immediately it's forming. That's why instantaneous dipole moment. Okay, that's why of course very very weak forces. Next. Okay, now first one is it clear? London forces, dispersion forces or instantaneous dipole attraction also. Next, The second one is here dipole attractions. तो देखें तो पता चलता है प्लस एंड माइनस पार्शियली, ये डेल्टा सिंबल कंपलसरी है. The delta is indicating here partially positive and partially negative. अभी NaCl लिखे तो if you write NaCl, Na plus and Cl minus we have to write. Na plus Cl minus. This is the correct. Sir, NaCl को मैं ऐसा लिखता हूँ? No, it's wrong. NaCl you have to write like this. HCl में वो तो डेल्टा कंपलसरी, क्योंकि HCl के बीच में स्टिल बॉन्ड इज देयर, द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर नियर टू द न्यूक्लियस, दिस क्लोरीन स्टिल शेयरिंग, द इलेक्ट्रॉन इज नॉट कंप्लीटली ट्रांसफर्ड, वो आयनिक बॉन्ड में कंप्लीटली ट्रांसफर होता है. दैट्स व्हाई Na plus Cl minus. Okay, this is the meaning of this delta, partially negative charge, partially positive charge. So dipole, and here also one dipole is there. Dipole attractions. ये पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव के बीच में तो अट्रैक्शन होगा ही. यस सर, यस. पॉजिटिव फोर्स एंड नेगेटिव फोर्स के बीच में अट्रैक्शन होता है, वो मैग्नेट्स में देख सकते हैं, नॉर्थ पोल एंड साउथ पोल, एंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कहाँ भी देखो पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव के बीच में अट्रैक्शन. राइट. Sorry?
Partial charges we can only put for covalent bonds.
Yes. आयनिक में वो बॉन्ड मतलब होता है, आयनिक बॉन्ड मींस इलेक्ट्रॉन कंप्लीटली ट्रांसफर्ड फ्रॉम वन एटम टू अनदर एटम, वो आयनिक बॉन्ड है. तो इधर इलेक्ट्रॉन शेयरिंग, टू एटम्स डोनेटिंग ईच वन इलेक्ट्रॉन शेयरिंग द पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, दैट इज कोवलेंट, मतलब इट्स नॉट कंप्लीटली ट्रांसफर्ड. दैट्स व्हाई एक साइड तो पार्शियली नेगेटिव पार्शियली पॉजिटिव, वो कितना है मतलब केमिकल बॉन्डिंग में वी कैन कैलकुलेट दैट फॉर्मूलास आर देयर. चलो, this attraction is known as dipole attractions. Dipole attraction, क्योंकि तो ये dipole है. Name is not difficult. If you know one example, automatically you will get the definition and everything. Dipole attraction. Now you tell me which force is stronger, this London forces or dipole. Dipole, क्योंकि इसमें तो जस्ट फॉर्मेशन होता है, वो गायब होता है, इसमें तो परमानेंट है, the permanent dipole. That's why obviously stronger attractions are there. ठीक है, clear? Next, and HCl and helium. तो helium का स्टोरी आपको पता है, इलेक्ट्रॉन, so the partially positive, partially negative. इलेक्ट्रॉन इधर आए तो सपोज इलेक्ट्रॉन रिपल्शन, सो ये इलेक्ट्रॉन मैक्सिमम इधर घूमते, तो इधर है मतलब ये पार्शियली स्मॉल डेल्टा समझो, सो स्मॉल पॉजिटिव एंड स्मॉल नेगेटिव. लेकिन तो दोनों के बीच में तो फिर वापस कुछ अट्रैक्शन है. यस, सो दिस इज डाइपोल, दिस इज कॉल्ड डाइपोल. दिस वन इज इंड्यूस्ड डाइपोल. इंड्यूस्ड डाइपोल, वो इंड्यूस्ड डाइपोल मतलब पहले डाइपोल नहीं था, लेकिन बिकॉज ऑफ दिस डाइपोल मॉलिक्यूल द पोलैरिटी रेज्ड इन द न्यूट्रल एटम. दूसरा एक एग्जांपल बताता हूं. एक मैग्नेट है, दिस आयरन नेल, इफ यू रब इट, दिस आयरन नेल आल्सो गेटिंग द मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी. Okay, so this iron nail getting magnetic property, this phenomena is known as induced magnetic field. Induced current, induced magnetic field, induced मतलब वही है, एक परमानेंट रहता है, बाजू में उसमें इंडक्ट होता है, that is induced. Okay, ये तो परमानेंट टाइप होता है, ये नॉर्मल हीलियम तो न्यूट्रल है, लेकिन इसके साथ है, that's why polarity is generated. So this is called induced dipole molecule. So now dipole and induced dipole attractions, these are. इसका स्ट्रेंथ कैसे होगा? इसका स्ट्रेंथ ऐसा होगा, 1 से 3 ज्यादा है, 3 से 2 ज्यादा है, क्योंकि उधर परफेक्ट डाइपोल था, इधर एक साइड परफेक्ट है, दूसरा साइड परफेक्ट नहीं था. ठीक है, उससे थोड़ा कम ही होगा, लेकिन इससे तो बेटर. Right? Clear?
Yes.
Right. Next.